Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is an absolutely perfect way to stay cool when you are out and about. Whether you're going on hikes, whether you're watching sporting events, whether you're just working around in the yard, this is a perfect product for you. So this was sent over by a company called EPICKA, and it is their portable fan with a cooling plate that just cools you down really, really quick. So let's go over all the features. It's gonna come in this little box right here. Comes in several color options. I have the gray one. Naturally, you're gonna get a user manual. Like I said, we're covering all the features here in the video. You're gonna get a USB-C to C charging cable. This is how you're gonna power up the fan's battery. You can utilize, obviously, a brick adapter or plug into your computer or something like that to charge it up, but it does have a 6,800 mAh battery on here. On the short end, with the highest in the plate on, you're gonna get about 3 hours runtime on this. However, on the lower end, just a low fan only, you're gonna get 25 hours out of it. So you get a nice full day's worth depending on your setup. But as you can see, here is the fan. It is nice and compact. Give you an idea of the size here. It is about 2¼ inches wide. It's about 6½ inches in length, and it's about 2 inches on the fan part as far as the depth. It does come with this nice little lanyard, which is removable. So if you don't like lanyards and you just want to be able to hold it, you can simply pop off the lanyard. It's kind of up to you whether you want to utilize that or even if you want to put them on the little side straps itself. Now on the side is the USB-C plug. That's where you will power up the battery. On the back side, it has a nice little grill as far as the intake for the air. And then on the other side, you have the fan. And then that silver part in the middle, that is the cooling plate. So that's gonna get super cool. Give it about 5 seconds and this thing's gonna be able to drop down to 42.8 degrees Fahrenheit. And how it works is you just simply place it on your forehead, place it on your neck, place it on your arms, wherever you want to cool down. And that pad is just going to give you that instant cold relief. How you're going to activate that is there's two little buttons. There's one that has really a snowflake. Just simply go ahead and press that, and it's going to turn on the cooling aspect of it, and then give it like 5 seconds to basically cool down. You just need to simply tap it, and you'll see a little icon on the screen, and then you're good to go. Instantly makes that nice and cold. The other side, which is obviously a fan, that is going to let you have the airflow mode of this. You can customize it from 1 to 100. So there's plenty of different speeds as far as figuring out what airflow you want. At 100, this thing is blowing out a lot of air, so it's absolutely great. Now, another thing you'll notice is the handle here, fully adjustable, so you can easily find a comfortable angle to hold. But what's also cool about it is you can set it down on a table and set it up as a little kind of stand itself, and position it in blowing on you. So if you're sitting at a table or something like having lunch, you can cool off. And then you can already see it's kind of humid here and the little condensing plate's already making some condensation just because of how cold it is versus the humid air I have inside. It can also serve as a power bank because it does have that 6,800 mAh battery. It means it holds a lot, right? So they made the little USB-C plug as a 15-watt output. So you can charge up your cell phone or tablet on the go, which makes this thing absolutely perfect for travel. Instead of grabbing just one of those external power banks, why not grab something that can also serve as a fan, especially if you are out sightseeing and whatnot and you just want to cool off. This is going to be a nice little feature because it'll let you cool off very, very quickly. But overall, like I said, it's a simple little device. It's great for travel. It's great for on the go. It's a great way to stay cool. And then it has that little cooling plate to just give you that extra nice cold air, which feels absolutely amazing when you are placing it on your skin. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great fan, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.